What is ganache and why is it essential for nice pastries? Imagine biting into a rich, silky chocolate treat that melts in your mouth. That's the magic of ganache, a staple ingredient in many of New York City's most beloved baked goods. Ganache is a smooth mixture made mainly of chocolate and warm cream. It can be crafted with dark, milk, or white chocolate, mixed with heavy or whipping cream to create different textures. The ratio of chocolate to cream determines whether it flows like a glaze, thickens into a frosting, or firms up as a filling. Sometimes, bakers add butter to give it extra shine and richness. The word ganache is pronounced ganache and comes from French pastry traditions. Legend has it that it was accidentally created by a 19th century apprentice who spilled hot cream onto chocolate, leading to this luscious discovery. In New York City, the use of ganache is everywhere in the bakery scene. It adds a luxurious chocolatey flavor that makes desserts stand out. Bakers use ganache as a filling inside cakes and tarts, giving them a moist, decadent core. It also works as a frosting on cupcakes and pastries, providing a shiny, smooth finish. When poured over desserts, ganache creates a glossy glaze that looks as good as it tastes. It even serves as the base for making rich chocolate truffles, which are a popular treat in many nice bakeries. Because of its versatility, ganache allows pastry chefs to get creative. They can adjust the thickness by changing the chocolate and cream ratio or add flavorings like vanilla, liqueurs, or spices to make each dessert unique. The high standards of New York City's bakery community mean that the quality of ingredients used in ganache matters a lot. Chefs select premium chocolates and fresh cream to ensure their desserts are top-notch. Whether in a classic French-style pastry shop or a modern bakery experimenting with new flavors, ganache helps elevate the quality of chocolate desserts. Its ability to adapt makes it a favorite among pastry chefs who love to innovate while respecting traditional techniques. For example, some bakeries might use a darker chocolate for a more intense flavor or add a splash of bourbon for a smoky twist. The flexibility of ganache means it can be tailored to fit any dessert style or occasion. In the bustling culinary scene of New York City, ganache is more than just an ingredient. It's a key element that brings richness, smoothness, and elegance to countless pastries. Its role in creating visually stunning and delicious desserts helps define the city's reputation for exceptional bakery experiences. Whether you're enjoying a simple chocolate tart or a layered cake with a shiny ganache coating, you're tasting a part of the city's vibrant pastry culture. So next time you indulge in a chocolate treat in Nice, remember that ganache is often behind the scenes, making every bite unforgettable.